Welcome back to Fun Game with the Claire family. Today we will be playing some more Among Us. Let's do this so you guys can actually hear me a little bit better. So let's get into it. We're just going to find a game because it's easier than just creating a game. I'm going to go ahead and turn up this so we can use it easier. Turn up the joystick. Good. Sorry about that. I hope I'm imposter or crewmate. Either one is fun. If you guys want to see some more Among Us, just comment down below and like this video and subscribe. I'm a crewmate. Not bad, not bad. We're gonna do engine room. See where all my tasks are. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna ask where. I don't know where the body is. Everybody's saying where, but okay, Brig. Is that a person name or no? She's not telling us who it was. Who she's seen somebody or something. So we're just gonna all skip. I'm thinking. I don't see no Brig on here. Otherwise, how would you get the name? So it was in that map. What are the records? Okay, so we should be able to do this. Okay. Exactly what I want to use. I want to use that. Comes. I think that comes. Yes, it is. I'll go do it later, okay? We're gonna look for dead body reported. We're gonna go ahead and ask where. So that's I think that's kind of sus. Sorry for my finger being over the camera. Did not mean to. Pink is acting kind of sus. So, because she's been finding all the dead bodies, which is kind of sus to me. So I'm thinking it's him or her. Pink. I'm pretty sure it's her, but I'm not really know. It doesn't really matter. Knew it was sus. I knew it was sus. We're gonna go to main hall because why not? I'm just right by comms. Actually, Someone did comments already. So I did not know that was there. I would have did it like that, but I didn't. Oof! I just got oof. Yellow. Why did it have to be yellow? I trusted yellow. So let's just do some tasks then, because purple, you're right there. Purple is right there. We could die any minute now. Look, Pink's a ghost, and ghosts cannot kill, which I am happy about. Okay, so I think right about there. Someone found my body, and I'm gonna ask him to see who I think it is. I know who it is. Of course. Yeah, I know who Yellow picked. Obviously. Wow, my team is pretty smart. So we just got a victory. We're just gonna change my color because I'm not liking the color brown. I'm just gonna turn to cyan, my favorite color. Yep, sorry about that. Yep. And to put it. But okay. Oof, I meant okay, not no. Did not mean to put that. I wonder what I'm gonna be. Probably imposter. Maybe computer roommate. Maybe, I don't really know. I'm not up to what I am. What a brag. Okay, now I know what Pink was talking about. Whenever, okay. By the way, this map is Airship. We will be playing Airship today. So let's look for my tasks. Okay, I think this one's one. No, it's admin. We'll see what people are doing. We'll see what are people doing. Okay, so somebody is venting. Venting and like, I'm gonna go ahead and ask, where was the body? Because everyone wants to know where a body was. Because body getting killed are the sussest. Really sus. I think they might be AFK. Okay, so purple called that one. So Hall portrait. Okay, I'm gonna say okay. Okay, so they said that. Don't know why they voted, or I mean what they voted. We're gonna go to Cargo Bay. If Purple, what's the name? Purple, yes. If Sleep keep finding bodies, I'm gonna think she's really, he or she's gonna be real sus because all of her eyes, why are you being really sus? Like, you're finding every single body, so, I'm gonna keep my eye on you. Sorry about that. Where are my tasks? No. Maybe. So, do not know where most of my tasks are, so, because I'm new to this map. For your information. Yellow again? Oof. Alright. So that was yellow and white. I thought white was good. And I thought yellow was good. I'm taking off this yellow hair. Oops, sorry guys. What does this look like? Okay. So we'll take a unicorn hat. Jam and beanie. I'm just going to say beanie, not Asian, because I don't really want to. Jam and Asian and beanie, I mean. They were it. I thought they were not. So for tomorrow's video, we will be doing a challenge, which you guys will have to see tomorrow. And my sisters will also be playing some Among Us. I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to go to engine room. Okay, they left again. So I want to go to Vault. Next time. Okay, I'm going to say okay. Okay. No! They won! Why did they have to win? Some of you are defeated. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, well, I will make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more Among Us, and I will see you guys all later. Goodbye.